It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So we'll first start by talking about some levels of support, and I should take a step back and note there is some perspective that goes into this chart. What do I mean by that? Well, if you're a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 17.4 seconds, then yeah, for you the chart's looking pretty rough. If you care about the big picture of things, then even, yeah, there was a big pullback. You can't deny that. But again, that's just one day. When you look at multiple days, aka the big picture, the bulls are still in control. The bulls still have a nice uptrend going. And there's a couple ways to do it. But I just want to, kind of just symbolize that here with the nice uptrend line. So really, a very simplistic way to kind of measure this current move, the move being defined as since the price came to life back here on the 8th, is as long as the price is above that orange line, then what does that imply? Because, the price could come up here, fall all the way back down here. Come all the way up here, fall all the way back down here, and so on and so forth. But if that keeps happening, then that means the price is putting in higher lows. And as long as the price puts in higher lows over time, that means these stair steps are just continuing over and over again. So purple line, orange line there is going to be that, the key kind of overall trend line that's summarizing and showing, that the bulls are still making progress, even with deeper pullbacks, that the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base. And again, from a big picture perspective, that's what it's all about, putting in those higher lows. So that'll be definitely the important area of support going forward. What about levels of resistance? If this move is going to get up above $1 again, where are some of these battlegrounds at? Current level right now, I'm just going to kind of split the difference and call it right there at about 97 cents. You can see a little bit above it, right here, a little bit below it. So we'll just split the difference right there and call it at 97 cents. So 97 cents key level. Then after that, you can start to talk about, the highs up here around this portion of the chart. But no need to talk about $1.05 at this point until the price can first get up above, right around that 97 cent mark. So pretty crazy day to day. But when you take a step back, look at the grand perspective of thing, the bulls are still making progress. So as long as they keep on putting in those higher lows, long-term chart's going to continue to take care of itself. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.